Hello, hi everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Thaisn here. Today I'm here to talk about email signature. We all using email, but we don't have a professional uh, email signature. Let me tell you what is email signature. At the every end of the email, we have to write kind regards, our name and our designation, at the same time our phone number and all our details will be given. So let us make a format so that we need not to type every time, and even we can link our YouTube, Instagram and everything just by one click. People can know about you better. So this will give a very professional look, and at the same time people will know a lot about you actually by seeing your email signature. So let me show you how to do this email signature. And very important thing, my aim is to reach those students and those people who really want to earn money through online and fiverr.com, freelancer, truelancer. So if you want to work here, there are a lot of people who want to make email signature for their email IDs. So here you can just use this few simple tips and explore more and try to present email signature and earn in dollars. Trust me, if you learn the skill, definitely you can earn good in online websites. So let me show you how to work on it. Hi friends, so let me show you how to make our own email signature. At the same time we are going to attach with our email. So first I'm going to type here docs Google. So this is the platform where we are going to make what is it called, our email signature. So docs.google.com. So here you have to click on start a new document. So just start here, and then here you have to first insert. So just click on insert and then table. So after getting into insert, just click on table. Here it will ask you 1 by 1 or 2 by 2. Just click on 2 by 2 matrices. So here what I'm going to do is, actually in this first row I'm going to insert my image, or else you can insert your logo, any icon you want to insert you can do. So I'm going to insert my image here. So upload from computer, I have in my computer, so I'm going to upload it from my computer. So where it is, so I'm searching from my computer, so let me take this one. So what I'm going to do is, actually I'm just going to reset this. Just click on this image and try to resize it. And I don't want this full picture to be like this, so what I'm going to do is just double click and then try to reduce this frame. Only I want my photo, what is that called, my face image. So I'm going to just make it very small and small. No. So this is all I'm going to do is just I'm going to fix this frame so that it get into my, only my face should come. I don't want the other thing. So yes, I'm done now. So what I'm going to do is just control yes, I'm going to type. So I'm just to come out and I'm going to do this. So this is my image, and next what I'm going to do is make this, just click on that line and then just bring it here. And because it is, so if you, few people they don't add all that, just like that they want to have. So if you want you can, if you don't want just leave it off. And I want to have kind regards, so Thaisn Begum. So I'll type my name, you can type your name, and then I'm going to just, you have to mention what you are, whether you're working in an IT company, you're a software related, or what is your profession, you're an entrepreneur or you're a businessman. Sorry, I have just typed founder, really not. So I'm going to type here, what is that, freelancer. So I'll just type here freelancer, and then you can type and YouTuber. So just you can write whatever you are professional you're in. So just for a sample I have written this, and then you can type your www. your website here. If you don't want, just next, actually we can go for phone number. Phone number is, for example, 999999, and then I'm going to type what is that called, and then email ID.
Next is our email ID. Here people actually mostly what they do is they just don't type phone number here. All they do is, I'll show you, they'll try to insert icons like this. I have already downloaded icons in my computer. If you want to know how to download icons in your computer, so you can just get the link from the below description box so that you can know how to download. So here you can see I have call icon here. All I'm going to do is just make it fast scroll down for you. So let me, I'm trying my level best that this video shouldn't be. So here I'm going to type my 9999999. So then next image insert. For email ID you can just click upload from computer. So this is my computer image where it is my email. So how we send mail, here I can't find icon, here it is. So what I'm going to do is just again resize this, then I'm going to do this. So here I am, and then I'm going to type as, what is my mail ID, Thaisn, what is that, Thaisn, yes, gmail.com. And then if you want to type your address, so the same way you can do image, you can upload from your computer, and for address you can come here, and again you can write your location here. Let me make a very clear signature for you so that it can helpful for you and you can get an idea regarding icons. Don't worry, it is very easy downloading. I have showed in my link, so you can just go and have a look on my what is that called, my video, and you can explore more, and you can definitely do more, and you can do the best way you want. So line 1, line 2, whatever is your address you can just type here. And so now I'm done with all my, see, I can show you, kind regards Thaisn Begum, freelancer and YouTuber, my mobile phone number and my email ID, and then comes my address. Now what I'm going to next comes my social media. So regarding my social media, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it here next to my pic. So I'm going to insert here images, upload from computer. So this is YouTube, so just click on this. So I will make, oh my god, sorry, just click on this and make it the smaller. The more smaller it looks like, more it will look good. So here, just a minute, give me some more time. Yes, I'm done now. And next icon will be, what is it called, insert images, upload from computer or drive or photo, wherever you are from. What is it called next? What? Facebook. Next is my Facebook. So I'm perfectly done now, and then insert image, upload from computer, and then I actually, frankly speaking, as of now I don't have any Instagram, but inshallah planning to have an Instagram account. So why I'm pasting here is so that I can show you how to link this. Just by a click people can go and see your Facebook and what is that called, all this. So next is social media is, what is it called, one more thing, insert images, upload from computer, and so Twitter. So most of the people, they have Twitter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play. So this is all got has fixed in one place. So I'm done. So now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to write my motto. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write learn space explore, sorry, explore space and grow high. So if you want to type all this actually any of your motto, you can. So this is all about what I feel is my image is too big. Let me make it small. And yes, now it's look good. So this also, let me take this to little here. Now we are done, perfectly done. What I'm going to do this is I'm going to highlight my name. I'm going to highlight my name in bold and not bold. Let me highlight my name in italic. No, it doesn't look good, so I'll make it bold. No, italic comes bold, it has become. So let me make it bold. And also I want to keep a color for my my name so that it can look. No, red is not looking good. So sorry guys, I won't take much of your time. So whatever color you want, you can just pleasant color. No, this doesn't look good. So what I'm going to do is, let me go for this light color. So I'm going to highlight my name. At the same time, I'm going to make this, and also I'm going to what is it called, I'm going to increase the font size of my name because it should look different. So it is in 11, I'm going to keep this in 12. And at the same time, this freelancer, I'm going to make it to 9, so that let it be small. And so this is all your font actually color, all that you can make of your own. So this also I'm going to highlight, learn, explore and grow high. So I'm going to make it bold. At the same time, we can have a very good color, attractive color, so that people can see it, your motto and everything. So let me take green. So whatever it is, so this is all about. And next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to control A. Okay, so let's click on this line so that it gets selected. Here you can see 3 border width, so just click on it. I don't want that line to be there, so I'm going to click on it and just remove it. So the same way I'm going to remove all the lines because I don't want any of those lines to be there, because I have seen people having without border, that looks good in email. So I'm going to remove this. Then I'm going to remove this also at the same time. And at the same time, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this also. And I don't want this one. You have to select properly. So I have removed that also. So I'm going to remove this at the same time. And have to be careful. Just remove this. And then once you're done with all this, you have to make your social media live. So what I'm going to do is, actually I'm just going to select this and I'm going to take my URL from my channel. So this is my URL of my YouTube. The same way you can take your what is it called, this is actually I've already copied, so I have copied and I'm going to paste it here. Let me show you how I'm going to paste. So here just select YouTube and just give a right click, and here you can see link. Just click on link, and here you have to do is, all you have to do is just paste it. So and here you can click on apply. Once you click on it, actually it will be saved. Just click on control yes, and now when you click on above button, actually here you can see the link has come automatically. It will take you to your YouTube what is it called, a link, and it will get open. So this is the way how we can make our email signature. The same way you can do for your Facebook and your Twitter. I want a line here in between. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to select this one, so that if you see here one white colored drop box, yes, click to select borders. So just I'm going to click here, and however you want, you can just select like this or like this or like this border, however you want. I want just a line. So see here, you can see a border line. And so this is all about my email signature. Now what I'm going to do is, it looks nice, I really loved it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my email and show you whether I have email signature in my email or what. Here you can see there is no email in my mobile, in my what is it called, in my mailbox. So what I'm going to do is just get into settings. Here is the one, so settings. So now we are going to attach that into here. So see all settings. So let me see whether we have that what is it called, that. So here it is, let me show you. So if we just scroll down, here you can see signature, no signature. So I'm going to create one. So here, create new. Here you can see a plus button with create new. So just click on it, and I'm going to name the signature as Thaisn. Just it's a title, you can give anything, whatever you want, even your name. Just I'm going to make it. And here you can see, so here you can type, just click on this edit signature name, and just, no, it's done. So here I'm going to create new. So all we have to do is here, so here we have to type. If you want to type and do all that editing, we can do, but already we have created. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to Control A, right click, copy, and then all I'm going to do is just I'm going to right click here and paste it. So my email signature is pasted here, you can see. So you can see my kind regards, Thaisn, Begum, freelancer and YouTuber. So my number, everything is pasted here. So all I'm going to do is now, so now it is done here, and you can weave changes your preference here. So all after pasting it, the last one, what we have to do is just come down, and here I have to choose for new email, use Thaisn, and also on reply and forward Thaisn, the same mail. So here before quarter text in replies, and remove the line that preceded. So nothing else, actually I have to click on this, and then I have to come down, and then I have to save changes. So this is a very good learning. So I have clicked on save changes. Now it is loading. Let me see in my compose box. Yes, it is here. So
Hope you all had a very good learning in this section. I just made it very fast for you all. You can have a very good font, and even you can make all the icons little more smaller, and you can try to right click and attach with all the links with your social media and font size, everything. You can try to have a very clear and a very nice and a very professional way you can make it. I just made this video very lengthy because I don't want to skip anything, because people who are just beginners, they will struggle hard if I just skip it. So I just made it actually as much as possible that it is very to the point. At the same time, you can understand where the tools are and how to use it. So if you want to know how to download icons, just go and have a look on my videos. I have given the link in the below description so that you can explore more. So it's a very simple process to download icons. Nothing to worry, everything is there provided for you. Just learn, explore and grow high. Take care. Bye bye.